How to trade political news. Politics affects a country's economy and as a consequence has a major impact on its currency. The most important political events that can affect the economy are elections, revolutions, impeachments, death of political leaders, etc. In other words, everything that may cause political instability. Let's study an example. On the 23rd of June 2016, the Brexit referendum took place in the UK. As a result, the British vote impacted both Britain's economy and the British pound. The UK's currency dropped 10% against the dollar and reached its 31-year low overnight after the vote. Traders were selling the pound while investing in stronger currencies. Some unexpected events, not necessarily political ones, may influence markets too. These may include terrorist attacks or natural disasters like earthquakes, tsunamis, or droughts. Remember that a market reaction to unexpected, breaking news is usually stronger than to scheduled data releases. We wish you successful trading.